How to fix login expired on TikTok. If you're facing the annoying login expired issue on TikTok, don't worry, this video I'll show you multiple solutions to fix it. So let's dive right in. Why does the login expired issue happen? Logging in from multiple devices, using a VPN or unstable network, outdated TikTok app, account security problems can simply make this issue happen. So open TikTok and try to log in again. Just enter your credentials, that is your email username, or you can simply enter your phone number and try to log in again. If that didn't work, let's clear cache and data. What you need to do is, on Android phone, if you have Android, you can do that. Simply open your settings, go to apps and tap on TikTok, and simply go to storage and tap on clear cache and clear data. For iPhone, what you can do is go to settings, tap on general, and simply go to iPhone storage. Here simply find an option of TikTok and make sure to offload the app. And after you've done that, simply reinstall it. Also, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Just go to the App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for TikTok. If there's an update available, what you need to do is simply update it to the latest version. Also, a simple restart can fix login issues. Restart your phone and try logging in again. And make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Or you can also turn on airplane mode on and off. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions fixed your login expired issue on TikTok.